in my dojo,
And then there is a kind of tea ceremony still served by Zen monks,
Step in my dojo, you
step in my
artists and so on, which is very informal indeed.
Hey, what's up? It's ill.Gates coming at you from Producer Dojo HQ in Los Angeles. This is our brand spanking new YouTube channel dedicated to bringing music producers everything that they need to cultivate their discipline and drive, crank out tunes, and build a thriving career in the music industry. It is a community effort. We're going to be bringing you all kinds of content, from label showcases of our amazing, talented, up-and-coming artists to educational content, track breakdowns, track feedback, everything that you need to take your music to the next level. So please support the station by clicking subscribe, clicking the bells, and if you have any feedback, suggestions, or comments, please comment. We're listening. This is us giving you everything that you need. Lots of love!
step in my
It hits all by itself.